Now we're moving on to our 8th team. And the next company to take the stage is the Industry 4.0 startup, Visionaries 777. All right, please board the stage and prepare yourself. You have 3 minutes. Jumpstart your dreams now.
All right, hello everyone. So for those who want a workplace like a factory, like a commercial building, shopping malls, hotel, you may have heard of some of the following problems. That basically there are more and more data to manage. Thousands of paper records laying around, work orders are piling up, while the cost is rising, the people are job hopping. So basically your workload is increasing while the resources did not. So while we haven't quite figured out a technology to increase the budget, we think we found a way to simply make work less. So introducing Inspeckey, a powerful way for you to thrive through your data. We basically expand your spreadsheet into a beautiful 3-dimensional map, so you can easily find a specific record between 1,000 square feet of space, assign work orders with location detail to your team, a stunning new way to operate through camera. So you can see real-time information, work guidance right in front of you. And if in a few taps, your checklist is done, your report is automatically generated with photos, captured, machine readings, all done. It's so simple, basically. There's nothing new for a team to learn. And a magical way to train with AR. Again, simply follow workflows that live within the space. You can upskill, reskill anytime. We've seen a person who done a 2 hours training in under 40 minutes without a trainer supervised, making 0 mistake. So basically, onboarding is much quicker. Our 3D mapping technology is simply 50% faster than the current beacon sensors, way more accurate than Wi-Fi signals, works completely offline, and spatial computing technology simply opens up way more innovative possibilities. In the past 4 years, we've landed between 6 markets in 12 countries. And the best part, you can totally start for free. You can simply download our apps right now, create an account, scan your space, and you're good to go. So technically, we can scale to anywhere in this planet. And the reason we can achieve all this is because Visionaries has been the technology R&D partner for some of the top global brands for the past 10 years, with deep industry expertise and understand what business really needs. So get in touch today to get spatial computing for your workplace and invest in our business if you want to see your business investment on this map. Thank you.
Judges, please.
What are you, sorry.
Thank you for the presentation. Could you share your traction in the past 2 years? How much of that is like kind of project-based and how much is a recurring subscription?
So basically, we have 2 teams. We have one BD focusing on the Western market, while I myself focus in the Asian market, including Japan, Hong Kong, Indonesia, and New Zealand. So pretty much we have 3 to 4 new partners signing up as a distribution partner between those countries. And we are already seeing like a development in Mexican, such as 7-Eleven, Starbucks, which they've done a POC with us, between the over 100 of shops, retail across the countries, to train the employee, make sure works are done in a standard approach, make sure they got photos records whenever they're working to ensure they're actually on site doing the job. So we are working hard on that.
So you mentioned Starbucks and all these retail shops. So what pain points are you actually solving?
So the problem is, as a headquarters, it's hard to oversee over hundreds of shops across the country. There's a case that they find out they never clean up the coffee machine for like a week. So you can never tell that with paper record. Even a photo record, you can fake it. But now we're using AR technology. You have to be there. The picture snap when you're working, because we identify the user location by the camera visual. There's no way you can cheat the system.
Any more questions by judges? We still have 3 minutes.
When do you think you can convert your POC customers to paying customers? Like which year, how long is the project?
Well, usually it takes around 3 months for POC. So basically we can deploy like in a week. For example, we have done ICC in Hong Kong, and we scan the whole site and set up tasks like a small scale patrol demo for them. This could be done within a week. And after they review the result, pretty much they want to see if the team knows how to use this technology. Because most of the time, those frontline workers, they're not really having any like a technical background. But we make it really, really simple. For the past 4 years, we really want to bring such an advanced technology to everyone's hand. It's so hard to do that, actually. And in 3 months, they're happy with the result, and they're happy to pretty much sign up for a year's annual deal, scan additional area, and cover more operations, such as access management, preventive maintenance, training, patrol system, and the rest of it.
What's your major client? Is it property management or retail or developer?
It really comes down to the regions. Like for Hong Kong, our top client is definitely the property developers, because they see they have a real challenge in manpower, human resources. And people are jumping between jobs. And every time there's new guys coming in, you need to train them. It actually adds up. And the second top concern is like a hotel, because housekeeping, when you clean up a room, there's over 80 tasks. It's so hard to train. The supervisor had to sit there for 2 hours to watch the guy. So again, it solved a huge problem. They just throw in the mobile phone and they got to work. And photos, automatic capture, seeing the work result, all done remotely. So, but for other regions, like in the Western market, we would say we're focusing developing the franchise, because they have way larger, in terms of the country size. They are with the shops, the distance way more, compared to Hong Kong, So it really comes down to the regions.
Do you mind if you share a little bit more about your team background and your annual revenue, if you have any you could show?
So actually, our company is a French company. We 2 founders are actually from France, and we also come with a guy from Colombia, and I'm the one focusing in the Hong Kong. I'm from Hong Kong and from the UK. So I do have a technical background, and we've got over 35 people between developers, designers, sales, and the rest of it. So, but our company actually doing more than just inspecting. We do have project, like what I showed you, with clients from
Time's up. Please wrap up.
From Europe and the US. So that pretty much is.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And for this moment, can I please invite all of our judges to board the stage for a couple group photos? So would everyone please join me on stage, all of our judges? Thank you. And everyone in the first row, please do join us as well. So let's take a photo for this segment. Thank you so much. As I said, not the easiest job. It's very intense, very high in adrenaline, and lots of work for our judges. Thank you, everyone. Please join us and take a photo together. All right, please follow the instructions of the photographer so that we have the perfect standing positions. All right. And I believe we have video going on as well. So everyone, please hold on to your smiles. Making sure we have the best photo possible. All right. Let's just take a few more just in case. All right. Center camera, yep, right there, perfect. Okie dokies. Thank you. And after this, judges, please remain on the stage. After this photo, please stay on the stage for our judges. And everyone in the first row, please return to your seats. Thank you. And can I please invite all the members of Team A to join our judges on stage? All the members of Team A, please join us. Yes, please join us for this group photo. Thank you, judges, for remaining on stage. All of our members of Team A, please come on stage and join us. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Great round of pitches going on. And taking this moment, just want to say special thanks to our sponsors. As you see, the water provider for today is WaterGen. Awesome company. They've been pulling water actually from air. Pretty cool, right? I know, given how humid Hong Kong is, absolutely great technology. All right, one more photo. And of course, another one is Determinate, which is the sponsor for our t-shirts today. Amazing how they managed to dye the t-shirts without using water. I know, I have no idea how they do it, but very good for the environment. Thank you so much. All right. Awesome. Let's give them a big round of applause again. Everyone, please be seated. Thank you so much. Thank you, judges, for all of your hard work. And thank you to all the startups who just presented their innovative ideas